Welcome to Car Culture Club, the place where we explore everything on wheels from the latest cars to powerful tractors shaping the future of farming and mobility. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2026 Mahindra Tractor lineup, a machine that blends strength, technology, and reliability perfectly for the modern farmer. Mahindra has always been known for building tractors that last for generations, and the 2026 series takes that legacy even further with upgraded performance, improved comfort, and advanced smart features designed for real-world farming needs. The 2026 Mahindra Tractor comes equipped with a new generation engine that offers more power with better fuel efficiency. Depending on the model, power output ranges between 40 to 75 horsepower, making it suitable for everything from small farms to heavy-duty agricultural tasks. The engine is tuned to deliver higher torque at lower RPMs, ensuring smoother operation even under heavy loads. Mahindra has also focused on eco-friendliness by introducing better emission controls, making the 2026 models compliant with the latest environmental standards. In terms of transmission, Mahindra offers both manual and advanced hydrostatic options, providing flexibility based on the user's comfort and workload. The gearbox is designed for seamless gear shifting, helping improve productivity while reducing operator fatigue during long working hours. The hydraulic system has been improved as well, offering higher lifting capacity, faster response time, and compatibility with a wide range of farm implements. Whether you're plowing, tilling, or transporting goods, this tractor delivers consistent performance across all terrains. Comfort and design are also major highlights of the 2026 Mahindra tractors. The operator cabin has been redesigned with ergonomic seating, adjustable steering, and an advanced digital display that shows fuel levels, maintenance alerts, and performance data. The new air-conditioned cabin option ensures comfort in all weather conditions, while LED headlights and a robust build make it durable for night operations and tough environments. Mahindra has also introduced smart technology integration in this new model. With IoT-enabled systems, farmers can now monitor tractor performance, fuel usage, and location tracking right from their smartphones. This digital connectivity helps improve efficiency, reduces downtime, and supports predictive maintenance. Safety has been taken seriously too, with better braking systems, rollover protection, and enhanced stability on uneven ground. Overall, the 2026 Mahindra Tractor stands as a symbol of progress, combining Indian engineering with modern innovation. It is built not just for power, but also for intelligence, comfort, and sustainability. Whether you are a small farmer or managing large agricultural operations, this machine promises reliability, performance, and long-term value. If you love learning about the latest vehicles, tractors, and